good morning, everyone. This is the video for this 100-ounce silver bar. Someone's going to be very happy today because this thing is like almost 7 pounds. It's huge. We're live. 750. 750. Got the list here. We got 10 entries. We got Bruno on the top, Bruno on the bottom. We need 2 dice, 5 or higher. We got 6 times at 750. Good luck, everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After 5 times, you got Bruno on the top. Must go 6. Good luck at 750. 750. Last and final roll. Top spot gets this Goliath of a silver brick. Congratulations goes to spot 3, Pete. Congratulations, Pete. Go ahead and send me a PM and let me know if you want the brick or the cash. You're done at 750. 750. Congratulations again, Pete. That's a big brick. So everyone else, thanks for playing. Have a great day. Take care.